Today on Stuff We Love, we're talking about a Ridgid portable vacuum. It's the 4-gallon, 5-horsepower wet dry vacuum. It costs about $80. You can get it online or at Home Depot. But Josh, why do you love this tiny vacuum?
This is actually the amazing little vacuum is what it is. I've had this for about a year and a half. I've had other things sizes similar to this, but what I love about this is the wheels and how much power it has. I mean, this is a 5-horsepower, 4-gallon vacuum.
5 horsepower seems like a lot for a little vacuum like this.
I think my mower's like 6 horsepower, so it's 1 horsepower under that pretty much. But again, this is another great vacuum that can suck water up and dust. It comes with the filter. You get the 2 wands. You get the
couple of attachments.
Yeah, exactly, and for the car.
Yeah.
So and it's got the carrier on the back. On the back port, it's got the you can put the diffuser on the back too for this.
Like quiet it down a little bit.
Yeah, and keep the air from blowing directly out. The handle's what I love. The power is unbelievable. The sucking power.
Yeah, that was the thing I was really blown away by, is how powerful it really is.
Yeah,
and I've got a couple smaller vacuums that work okay if the filter's clean, all that kind of stuff. But this one seems like it's got just as much power as my big vacuum.
Yeah, and it's little. That's what I love, and it's not that loud. You can get a car kit for it with a longer hose. So we keep ours in the garage at home. My wife uses it. I use it to vacuum out the car real quick with the power that it has. So. Been very happy with it. If you check the reviews online, it has great reviews. But the biggest thing is the wheels and the front pivoting, how you can pull it anywhere you want with the fixed ones in the rear. So it literally just follows you. And when you're done at the end of the day, you can sort of just hang her up.
The Ridgid 4-gallon, 5-horsepower wet dry vacuum, $80. Get it online or at Home Depot. Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love.